Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, she wants to. Oh, it's okay. Oh.
They all have names. They're all registered.
Can I?
Oh! Go, Eddie. Get up on the window.
Oh, hey! Oh. Look, it's on mommy's shoulder. Oh my god!
Keep going.
No, it's not. Daddy, take it away. Just take a stupid picture. I'll get mad at you. Take a picture.
Okay. Get out.
Get out.
Remember, tip it up.
No, hey, no.
That way you can get it. Yeah. Look at me.
Spicy Bloody Mary.
The dolphin weighs 500 pounds.
Turkey call. Now you guys. Thank you.
Come here, you guys. Look at that thing. Come here.
Dental check on the animals. Any animal that has a cloven hoof, so a split hoof, no matter what it is, only has bottom teeth in the front. Some of them have top teeth in the back.
How do you see them look so bad? They hair.
Just wave goodbye to your mom and dad, just in case. Good. And now turn around and say goodbye to your dad.
Go get him.
This is your crazy daughter, Christ.
Saying, hey, land it. Woohoo!
They don't do anything.
Oh, so you scared him. That was just.
There. Now he's not gonna do it.